We are at the East County Manufacturing Expo and Resource Fair. We have 35 manufacturers exhibiting, everything from salt caramels to aerospace parts. And then the morning portion that's going on right now, the early afternoon portion, is a resource fair for manufacturers to learn about resources that can help their businesses grow.
We're here today for a wonderful recognition of what manufacturing means to San Diego County as a whole and East County. Manufacturing is a critical component to building a healthy economy and having a vital economy. And so it's very exciting to put folks together and have everybody talk about the future and how we can help each other grow this sector of the economy.
I was fortunate enough to sit on the Skilled Workforce Development Board, so I was able to hear about it from the get-go, planning as early as a year ago. I'm really excited about it all coming together today.
Manufacturing is not just dirty jobs. They are all sorts of very high-skill, high-wage positions.
As an educational institution, a high school district in our case, we are preparing our students for the jobs or the careers that are needed in our area. So today is all about manufacturing.
We're always looking for wonderful opportunities for our kids, you guys, to get, to see what's available in the world, job and career opportunities that you wouldn't have known about otherwise. You think of, like when I was growing up, I thought of standard jobs, you want to be a doctor, you want to be a teacher, but there are so many jobs that you have no idea about.
I love manufacturing. You do something from scratch, from zero, and you see it growing until it becomes something that's amazing. So you feel the pride of doing it from nothing to the end.
We want to bring awareness to the youth that there's actual career opportunities in manufacturing companies such as Taylor.
It's just great to partner up with somebody so big and they know how to do the right thing and how to actually get paid and all that. It's just too cool.
I just wanted to come down here and look at some businesses to see if we can work with them on any products or promotions, stuff like that.
The Manufacturing Expo is important because in the manufacturing trades we're losing talent. The older manufacturing workers are now retiring, and we do not have the new crop of young people coming in apprenticeship programs to maintain what we're doing.
There's a lot of opportunities besides just going to a community college or the 4-year university route. Most people don't know that there's a lot of job opportunities in manufacturing, and I think it's just going to get even stronger than it is today.